What is going on, guys? So tonight I will be heading to PIC and I'm going to meet a friend there. We might be doing an install tonight, but it's not for sure. But we're just gonna go ahead and check it out. And right now I'm at the studio. Dude, what? Fucking John got his sard wing, bro. Oh shit. Talk about 86, guys. Holy shit, bros. Damn. God, you're making me jealous. We used to have the same setup, but not more. Yep. I remember when I started off, knew everything, absolutely knew everything. This guy was still stock. But fuck, man. When I let go of everything, it's like, now I'm jealous. Fuck, dude.
You'll get it back.
I'll get it back, but like in a million years, dude. Look at this car. It's so sick. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see this car. What is that, John? What the hell is that? Is that a sard wing? Where'd you get the sard wing? What the fuck? Bro, we got a loud ass fucking car here, sir. You cannot be trespassing here. Who the fuck does this guy think he is?
Yeah, I wish we could do something like that, dude.
Yeah.
Bro, I can't.
What? Look at that shifter. Holy shit.
You want lights?
Oh, and he can fucking change the lights. What?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Dude, that red one looks
Dude, that's sick, bro!
Hey, look at that red one, dude. I want that shit. Look at that. What? Imagine
No.
if I could get that, dude. That's all I'm missing right now. Whoa! No, but
Fuck, dude, that's so sick, man.
Still got the cardboard, so it's longer shift, so you're gonna need a bigger space.
Man, Geno always has some nice shit. Look, that does look sick, though.
The OEM fenders,
Bro.
metal? This is metal?
Yeah, that's right.
Our OEM fenders
Heartbroken, dude.
Not even.
Fucking heartbroken.
Shit. I was actually happy about this.
Oh.
When it's your first battle scar and you drift, it comes with the game, dude. That's what.
That's some gnarly ass game, dude. I gotta say that. Oh my god, fuck. Geno, what do we got here, man?
We got a replacement downpipe.
What happened to your old one?
It's good. It cracked before, and then we fixed it anyway, and then they still sent the replacement. Turbo X.
Turbo X. Is it Turbo XS or just Turbo X?
You can say XS if you want.
So they replaced the entire thing.
Yeah, because the hanger on the previous one cracked. And we just welded it, and it works fine now. But I sold my old one, so
Too much racing, that's why, bro.
I guess eating it up and it.
Hardcore drifting.
No, it's fine. I mean, it's a common thing though. Like everybody's been having is like the welds on this.
Mm-hmm.
Like they'll crack, and then people will just call in for a replacement and they'll send you one. This box is still new. I barely use it.
What's that? All your parts replaced already?
Which one?
All your pipes?
Yeah. It's the same thing underneath the car right now, but this is just new. January.
You're gonna daily a drift car.
Huh?
You're gonna daily a drift car.
Dude, I know. That's why I love
Holy
it.
shit.
Wait, what are you getting?
Ankle kit, probably.
Oh my god. Fucking angle kit, dude.
I just don't want to get it now because I kind of like the stock angle right now. It's a good.
Why is the stock angle helping you out?
No, it's just it's good to learn it first.
Yeah. Just like, let's just take a minute to adore like all these fucking stickers. Oh my god.
That's like my history fender.
History fender.
Anything, any parts, anything that I see, that's part of history. You know, that marks what happened. And it's funny because like everything happened, you know,
On this side,
fender, yeah.
for some apparent reason.
Parts, whatever.
You can see that right here.
Is the metal scar.
Too much angle, bro.
Yeah, that was too much angle.
I know I never seen an exhaust so big on the Genesis and tires so wide. I can't get over that. foot in here real quick. I'm a size 8 wide. Oh gosh. What size are you, John?
These are maybe 11s.
11s.
Yeah,
Yes,
pretty-
sure.
Oh,
Bro.
they look the same.
What the hell? Are you sure you're an 11?
Are you sure you're a 9?
Yeah, I'm a 9, dude.
These are 11. I can't wear 10s.
There's no fucking way you're 11. You're probably like a 10, dude. You took off your shoe.
I wanted to check if they look so small. These are 12.
Dang, dude. Dude, I can smell that, bro.
I know.
Turbo XS or Turbo X, they sent Geno a new pipe, but the thing is, it cracked. There's too much heat coming out from the exhaust, so yeah, it caused it to crack, and they sent him a new one. Geno welded it, so they're gonna replace it right now. Well, we.
People like,
Oh, dude, Home Depot, like. So here on Island, Home Depot like provides, especially us car enthusiasts, with everything, dude. Cause I know the States, they have like everything available to them at a nearby store. So it's like endless opportunity. It's heartbreaking.
Huh?
This mesh thing.
Flex pipe.
Flex pipe. What's flex? Wait,
so it flexes.
is it for flexing purposes?
Yeah, you don't want the whole in certain areas of the car it needs to like if that thing was solid it'd probably bend and shit.
Ah. Wait, John, doesn't one of your pipes have a flex pipe?
No, that's a cat.
That's just a cat.
They
So I'm
kinda look
assuming.
similar.
Okay, assuming that flex
from
pipes
far
are. Yeah, they're from far away they look the same, but for turbo cars it looks like this. Does it even flex?
Not like a whole lot.
Yeah, it's a little.
Life is too much and you can't fit under the car.
You're looking at me.
Oh fuck you, that's heavy, dude. Holy shit. Why is it so heavy? No wonder why your car's heavy. Dude, I can't fucking lift this with my hand. It was just one side. This thing's heavy, dude. John, try lifting it with one hand.
Man, I'm probably stronger than you, so.
Yeah, that's no problem.
It's not that heavy.
That's fucking heavy, dude.
It's not that heavy.
Dude, look at that. That's thick ass metal, bro.
But that's a 3-inch, so.
Is this a 3-inch?
Yes.
You good over there, Geno? Can you fit?
Yeah.
Are you sure? You know, I'm a little scared to be under your car right now. I don't know, I'm just a little skeptical. Damn. You need an undercar detailing, bro. Is the old pipe out yet? That's the part where the exhaust hanger is, right?
Yeah.
You need help, buddy?
I think I'm okay.
I would help, but I can't fit under there.
No worries.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not wrong door. Huh?
What?
Ah! Fucking bitch! Stop your shit!
What do you need?
Fucking asshole.
Welcome to my garage.
He owns this whole garage, guys. Dude, we can park like, what, 50, 60, 70, 80 cars here?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna install a lift tomorrow.
What are you kidding, guys? We can't afford that. We're on Guam. Can't afford shit. And plus, we're low-paying wage jobs. Tickle, 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 tickle. Geno brought out the old one. Holy shit, that look ugly. So what's the biggest like difference on these? No, what's the biggest difference? Like, why exactly did you change it? It's because of that?
Yeah, it's the exact same pipe. The first time around, the welds.
Oh,
They
what
came
the
off.
hell?
Yeah, don't you see my post, man?
No, but they don't.
Okay, but like yeah, and then we just re-rolled it, and it's fine now.
Man, that color change. You're spitting too much flames, bro.
I think so. Not as much as before. I don't know why. I think I needed to.
What's that, new hardware?
New hardware. Cause I got like different size bolts under there, so.
Why does Geno always get the good shit?
Come on, man. If you have the chance, you know, like don't cheap out on your car.
You never do cheat out on your car.
Don't get cheap shit.
What's the point of getting cheap shit if you're gonna buy a fucking nice car?
I don't know, it depends. People are just different. Like the outside of the car looks all nice, but like they got like shitty cars. I don't know.
You guys gotta admit, every part that any racer or any driver in general would say, people are gonna be offended by it. Who cares if you have XSRs? Who cares if you have Megan Racing
There
shit?
you go.
Who cares if you have multiple?
That's the spirit.
Who cares if you have IRP?
No, I'm serious. Like for anybody who's ever fixing their cars, just fucking do you, man.
You gotta do you. Look at me, full Tome exhaust. I'm not gonna fucking complain. Except when I got 5 tickets last
You know what I
year.
want?
Never mind, just reuse the old ones. You know, shout out to our biggest inspirations. Of course, you can't miss Birdie from Kings Must Rise, Dirt BFRS, Nazi. And we also got TJ Hunt. Don't forget TJ Hunt.
Dude, that R7's nice.
Dude, I gotta admit,
Bro.
TJ's RX-7 is nice, dude. Who has a similar build here? It's Justin Rosario, right? Have you
Similar,
seen?
yeah.
Dude, similar,
White.
but TJ's own is just like...
He spent a lot of money on that.
That's something we don't have, John.
Don't matter. This ain't no show queen.
This is a show queen. This is your baby, bro.
Oh yeah, but she puts in work, dog.
All the time. Time to make the
Or
Genesis
360?
even louder.
It'll be the same. It might be a little bit louder because it's new.
Yeah, he's just gonna get in my car. Oh yes. Oh my goodness. Dude. Wow. So we got a racing shift knob with a cartboy shifter. Wow. Dude, this is like super stiff and heavy. We got a drift button by I don't know what brand. Open flash tuner. This was like how I used to start my car. And honestly, I really miss it so much. Oh wow, everything's in red. Trying to reach for the pedal. Dude. NVIDIA everything. So John has the NVIDIA catback exhaust, and he has a PLM long tube headers, and then he has a JDL front pipe and J pipe combo. Pretty cool. If you can listen to this, the car is not that loud, but it gives that nice deep growl, so to say. My car sounds like shit now. Kind of feel bad because we just left Geno in the corner. Look at him, he's just squeezing onto the car. Maybe I should just reconsider my fucking vlogging setup. I don't
It's
want
not
to.
even my vlogging setup. This is my whole rig.
Point of what we're talking about, you don't need the most expensive stuff to vlog. You just need something to start with, and honestly, it's all for fun. All right, guys, so pretty much we're just wrapping up right now. Just need a wait. All right, Geno, let's hear it. Fuck you. Holy shit. What the? Oh, fuck, that's loud, dude. Because people would not want to drive behind me. I don't even want to drive behind this guy. This guy's fucking car is too loud. Do you like that sound? Do you like?
It's rough dealing it all the time though. Yeah, because race car.
Race car, not stance car. Race car.
How's the drone on this?
There's no drone, dude.
So yeah, it's okay.
Turbo cars have no drone, bro. Except R35 GTRs. Driving this car, driving his car, and driving my car. When my car had a full exhaust system, it was not droney at all. Droney as shit, because he won't get rid of his cats. And plus he has dual exit. Common misconception. People think that just because a single exit is loud, that's gonna have much more noise. Wrong. It's louder on the outside, but in the cabin, good luck to your ears. You're gonna be popping like a jet plane. But on the other hand, the Genesis is just way too fucking loud. Unfortunately, you know, I don't know why this happens, but I never really get to finish my vlogs, and it's actually kind of sad if you think about it. Like, you know, I've been trying really hard to make sure that everything flows through properly, But lately it just hasn't. And you know what? I do apologize about that. Again, guys, just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see. I'll see you guys later.